The key question we're asking here is whether we see a consistent effect across different regions, across different years. Do we see a consistent effect of exposure to nitrogen dioxide and the growth and health of crops? Although pollution we know is not good for crops, we don't really know how bad it is. And that's because historically we haven't really had good data or enough data to really answer that question. The way we approached this question was, on the one hand, to use these new data sets coming from satellites which map nitrogen dioxide in very great detail. And so we combine that then with other measures we have from satellite that tell us about how healthy the crops are. And so these are two independent data sets we're able to line up and say, in places where we see higher than average exposure to nitrogen dioxide, do we also see a consistent effect on the crop health? I think the main finding overall is that we do see very consistent negative effects of nitrogen dioxide on crops. And we see that the magnitude of that effect is enough to really add up to a significant amount of production, especially in regions and seasons that have high exposures to these gases. Efforts to reduce nitrogen dioxides, which are already going on because there are concerns about human health, there are concerns about greenhouse gas emissions. Those efforts could also be very effective in terms of improving agriculture in the key areas that we really want to improve agriculture to help feed a growing population.